Ram just did something completely unexpected. They didn't just show us one truck, they showed us three. We just got three different HEMI trucks that dropped at the same time, and one of them makes 777 horsepower. Ram just officially launched the brand new Rumble Bee lineup, and this isn't just some boring appearance package. These are muscle trucks built on the TRX platform. And yes, the HEMI is officially back. The first truck is the entry-level Rumble Bee. This one comes with the 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and 410 foot-pounds of torque. This is rear-wheel drive capable. It has a dedicated rear-wheel drive button for burnouts. That button alone is enough to make people happy. And then Ram dropped the second truck, the Rumble Bee 392. This truck, I think a lot of people are going to want this one. This one has a 6.4-liter HEMI V8. 470 horsepower and 455 foot-pounds of torque. I also thought this was pretty cool. This is the first time Ram has ever put the 6.4-liter HEMI into a 1500 platform. With the 392 Rumble Bee, you'll also be able to choose a track pack option. You'll get launch control, Brembos, electronic spooling differentials that sends equal torque to the rear tires. You're going to get air suspension. I'm just pumped that they're offering Brembos. These trucks have needed that since the beginning. And for the third truck, you're getting the SRT Rumble Bee. You get the supercharged Hellcat engine. You get 777 horsepower and 680 foot-pounds of torque. 0 to 60, 3.4 seconds. Quarter mile time, they're saying 11.6 seconds. And it has 170 mile an hour top speed. And a pickup, that's pretty nuts. Ram said that this is the fastest, most powerful V8 production truck ever built. And this thing looks pissed. Wide body stance, lowered TRX styling, huge 22-inch wheels, massive 325 rear tires, functional hood scoop. This thing looks like a Hellcat Charger and a TRX had a baby. The Rumble Bee launches first with the 5.7-liter HEMI, and we'll see that at the end of 2026. The Rumble Bee 392 and the Rumble Bee SRT, Ram is saying that'll arrive the first half of 2027. And as far as pricing, there isn't any available yet. But it is nice that we're going to have three different options, so there is one for everybody. Let's talk colors real quick. It looks like it's going to include detonator yellow, molten red, and ceramic gray. And I'm sure a lot more to come. So let me ask you this. Which one are you buying? The 5.7 HEMI, the 392 Rumble Bee, or the 777 horsepower Rumble Bee SRT? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.